Okay, everyone. Okay. Last week we discussed about the example 2.2.1, and today we continue to calculate the remaining questions. Okay. Have a quick review from last week. I share my experiences. Sometimes I prevent to say the term teach. I prefer to use the term share my experiences because actually I have no idea about how about in the Philippines, but in Taiwan we have the kind of culture, the Chinese culture, including Korea, Japan, or somewhere. The kind of in my opinion, there's a little bit over respect to the teacher, to the professor. I cannot completely support with this spirit. I prefer the kind of American spirit. We are friends. I like that. So I said I share the experiences how to calculate this part. Okay. Last week I shared my experiences how to sorting those information from larger number to smaller number, or from smaller number to larger number. We can copy it here. Then with the background green ground, that is the total number. Then I moved this column of data, and copy here, move everything here. Here is the raw data after my moving. Sure, you can ask ChatGPT or ask Google Gemini, then you can get the answer very quickly. But I don't think it's a smarter way, because you just got the answer. I want everyone to learn the process, how to think, how to handle, not just an answer to the solution. Sorry, to the question. No, it makes no sense. After that, you can select the range like this. For example, the light green background is original data. Then you can select the range, copy, and paste it to a new cell. Okay, why? You can make 2 or 3 copies. Then you don't need to redo it. Why? For example, I like this one. I want to sort the data. Tools. No, data. Okay, sorry, data. Sort the range. Sort by column I. A to Z means from small to big. Z to A means big number to small number. Okay, and either one is okay. This moment we can try from A to Z, from smaller number to bigger number. Okay, done. That's done. Okay, if you forgot this, you can follow my steps to operate this part. We shared the experiences from this week, and today we can continue to solve the problems. Okay, here, find the range. What's the definition of the range? It means a group of data from the largest number to the smallest number. The difference between the biggest one and smallest one, that is the range. Okay, we found that largest value minus smallest value, that's 2550 minus 350, that is 2200. Okay, take a look at this. Here is the smallest number. I gave you a different color background. Here is the largest. I give it light green, light blue, the background. So the largest number is 2550. The smallest, that's 350. So okay, we find a solution. First one, the largest number minus the smallest value, that is 2550 minus 350. The answer is 2200. Okay, how about 30 seconds? Please operate this part. If you forgot, how to do this. Okay, 30 seconds, please. Any question? Wave your hand. I will go to your seat and help you. Okay, get it? Yeah, I remember that today I will share how to do the. Does anyone bring your own USB disk today? I forgot to remind you that. USB disk with you today? No? No, okay, maybe next time, remind me. Sorry, I forgot to, because in short words, if you had the kind of USB disk, thumb disk with you, you can put everything, but remember to bring it back, pull it back with you when you finish the course in this classroom. And you can use your own Firefox, you can use your own email, you can use your office, everything in that. And that is legal. That's legal? Okay. Okay. Okay, take a look at this. Okay. Next class I will share how to run this. How to run this. Okay, come back here. And second one, pick up the number of the classes. Okay, and the textbook suggests us to use 7 classes. 7 classes. What does it mean? From those data, from those raw data, or this list of the data, try to divide it equally with equal range to 7 classes. 7 classes. And how to do that? Okay. Find the class width. Find the class width. Now we know one thing. The range means the largest value minus the smallest value. That is 20. Don't worry. How about let me finish this course, and during the break time, I think I can share how to run the computer. Okay. Good luck. Okay. Nice to see you here. Okay, don't worry. You can ask other students. I'm very friendly. Don't worry. Okay. And now the range is 2,200. If we divided this number by 7, divide it by 7, and the width is about 3 314. Okay, and now always round up to the next integer, even blah blah like this. Okay, and now find the class limits. Find the class limits. What does it mean? Okay, let me show you here. Can you understand this? No. Okay, please imagine that if we have a number, if we have a line and here and here, okay, the number here is 350, the smallest number, and the number here is, I forgot. Okay, 2550, it means, what does it mean? It means we have this is called a range, and we try to cut those range into 7 pieces. And now how to cut? And from here, that is I forgot to print my tablet. 2550 minus 350, that is 2200. Okay, and now we try to separate the 2200, 2200 into 7 pieces and divide it by 7. That's about 314 point blah 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 blah, blah like this. Okay. It means if we have that, assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I drew it very ugly, but I think you can understand what I want to say. Okay, this part 314, 314, 314, 314, 314, 314, 314. Get it? And we try to make a sorting work for those information. And now we need to find the upper and mid and each integer. So each width. So find the class limit. And this is the lowest limit for the first class. Add the width to get the lowest limit of the next class, and it starts to work from the smallest number. I put it on the left side. Thus, 350 plus 315, 315. That is 665, and plus 315 again. We can see that will be 980. So we can imagine that. After this, 350 plus okay, I just pasted the link of this textbook to our online group, and I'm explaining the question example 2.2.1. Okay, get it? And now we will get the second location 665, and the third one 980. it looks like this. This one should be and this one should be 980, and the next will be 1295. The third place here will be 1295. So can you guess what's this? What it will be? The number here? Yes, 1295 plus 315 plus 315 plus 315 will be here. Sure, the lesser range will be a little bit smaller than the other one. Okay, let's check this. So can you get it? Can you get it? And now the upper limit is one less than the next lower limit. So far, the first class in the upper class limit will be 665 minus 1. That is 664. 664. Okay, what does it mean here? The upper limit is here, and now we have extra. I prefer to use green. This one, sorry, like this, and here is the limit 665 minus 1. That will be 664, and 664 with the 350. This is the class 1, and 665 with the second one. Here, 980 minus 1, that will be 979, and 979 with his friend 665. That is in the second class. That is in the second class. Okay, let's check this. Okay, that's here. Okay, and when you have all 7 classes, make sure the last number in this case, that's 2550. Yeah, the same one as the largest number here, 2550. 2550, the largest number is here. Okay, then next, find the class boundaries. 350 minus 0.5, that is 349.5. 365 minus 0.5, that's 664.5. The same way, like this one. Every value in the data should fall in exactly one of the classes. No data values should fall right on the boundary of 2 classes. One data, one class. One data, one class. Okay, and find the class midpoint. Class midpoint. Okay, here 350 plus. Here is the class 1. The left boundary 350. The class 1 right boundary, that is 664 plus those together and divided by 2. That is 507. It means the middle point of the class 1. Okay, let's check this. Okay, here is the class 1. Class 1, the left boundary 350, the right boundary 664. Get the sum of those 2 numbers and divide it by 2. Get the average. So we can get the average. That is here. The average, the middle point is 507. 507. Okay, get it? And next 6 165, the left boundary of the class 2, and 979, the right boundary of the class 2. Put them together, get a sum of the value, and get the average. That is 822. 822 should be here. Okay, let me stop here. Could you please calculate the midpoint of this one of the class 3? Okay, 1 minute, please. Remember, here is the boundary. You need to subtract it by 1. Minus 1. There will be one number. Then the left boundary 980. The right boundary is this number. Get the sum of those two values and get the average. Okay. 1,100. No, I didn't calculate that. Okay, you do that. I know the diagram is very ugly, but I try to draw it to make you understand this part. Okay, here should be 1295 minus 1. That would be 1294. And 1294 plus 980 and get the average. Okay. $980 plus 1294, that will be 2274, and divided by 2, that is 1137. So the midpoint of this one that is 11. Midpoint, that is 1137. Okay, get it? Sure. Sorry that my drawing is really horrible, but I hope you can understand the principle of this part. And I think this part will be one of the exam question. Okay, just a reminder. Okay, we will have our midterm exam about the week number 9. That is April 14th. That will be April 14th. And again, here is the grading policy. And during the exam, you can use all materials, including the electronic devices, electronic digital information, and paper, print, any kind of notes, everything is okay. But no talking, I mean even typing with your friends on the social media or something like this, no communication. Sure, before the exam, you can discuss everything with your friends or with me. That's okay. But during the exam, no. Okay. I trust you. You need to trust me. Okay. And now we need to do one thing. You need to do one thing. Here, totally and find the frequency of the data. Totally and find the frequency and data. I know, I can tell you that since the first week, the second week, the third week and fourth week, I demonstrated how did I, no, I don't want to say the word teach. I demonstrated how did I use AI to get the answer of this. But I don't encourage you, just ask the AI and the AI gives you an answer and write down the answer on our test paper. It makes no sense. I cannot prohibit you. To be honest, I cannot prohibit because since I allow everyone to use the computer or your cell phone or everything here, but I don't encourage you use the AI directly. You know, this time I demonstrated that, and one of the famous AI get a wrong answer. You see that? Sorry, you saw that? So I don't encourage you to do that. Instead, I slow down my teaching and teach you how to do this step by step. Okay? And now we use this table. Class limits from 350 to 664, the first class. The second class, 665 through 979. And now we need to do one thing, how to count the frequency. Okay, this moment, who can tell me how to count the frequency here? Who can tell me? Oh, $1, that's easy. Let me tell you, it's so simple. The first class, the range